How to recover access to lost Roblox Authenticator. What's up everyone, in today's tutorial I'll be showing you guys a quick and easy method to recover your access to your Roblox Authenticator. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and hit the subscribe button as well. So the first thing that you need to do is go ahead and open roblox.com, and if it is asking for your two-factor verification, then you might want to enter the secret phrase or the code that you have stored in a safe place, and that will automatically make sure to log into your account. But if you don't have the access to that, or if you've lost access, then what you can do is just type in roblox.com/support. And if you don't have this URL, I'll provide it on the description as well. So just go ahead and enter this. Then you'll have to enter your date of birth right here. Now the first thing that you want to do is enter your username, then enter your first name, and then enter your email address. After you have done that, you can confirm your email address and do the same thing. So I'm just going to copy my email address and paste it down here. And on your issue, you are going to select this right here, what you are using. I'm currently using PC, and on help category, you can select account hacked or logged in. And then here you can click on two-step verification. So on the description, you're going to shortly write that you've lost access to your backup codes, and then you want to change your two-step verification or gain your access back, and then tap on continue. Roblox will contact you on your email, and you can just follow the instruction they gave you clearly. Then you should be able to get back your account. That's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.